Hi guys, in the last video we looked at how we could make our own flipbooks like this. Okay, so I showed you how to make, you could make these, but again I always recommend that if you can buy memo pads or post-it pads, these work just as fine. Okay, if you just want to have fun with it, but it's always nice to be able to make your own flipbook, so I'm going to put that aside. So now what you're going to do is I want to show you how to make some flipbook animation. So normally I reserve the first page as kind of a title page, so it's like, you know, my however you want to write it, my flipbook. Okay, if I wanted to, I mean, it's always good to have pens or a marker, however you want to do it. Got a marker here, let's use the bigger tip. Just save some time. And of course you can always add color to this, but of course that just spends more time and I don't want to keep up your time with this tutorial video. I'm just going to go very quick here. So it just adds more to it when you can do something like that. You can be fancy too. Oops, flipped my flipbook away. This is one of my favorite pens, and you know, you can add okay. So usually I reserve the first page to be the title page. Now, we're going to start off with something simple. So it's always good to have a pencil and eraser in case you do make mistakes, but I'm going to do something fairly simple and easy. So just as a kind of, well, obviously a demonstration, but it's practice. Don't worry too much. Don't try to be perfect. It's just practice. And there's two ways you can start your flipbook. So I'm just going to use a pen because it's a lot easier to see on the video. And you can start from the front page here, okay? Or the other way is you flip your flipbook over and you start from the back page. And there's a benefit to starting from the back page, and I'll show you in a minute here. So, okay, let's start with the front page. Let's just do something simple. So with the front page, I'm gonna make, I'm just gonna maybe make a little ball like this, okay? Okay, and then you're gonna have to kind of flip it back and you see where your ball is. So I'm gonna kind of, it's here, so I'm going to assume it's going to be here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so go to the next page. Right there. I'm going to make it bigger. And where it is on this page, make it even bigger. Like that. And I imagine where it is here. Make it even bigger. Now if I wanted to, I could make something that looks like it's spinning inside. Probably couldn't do it for here, but let's try. Here, put a dot there, move the dot over here. Move the dot over there. Put the dot here now. And here. Okay, now that was just really simple to do. Let's see, as I flip it, and there you go. Okay, as the ball is expanding. I'm going to show you why there's a benefit to using, as you notice that each time I went to the next page, I kind of had to flip it back and forth from the previous page, so I know where I'm going to start again. The benefit of using the back page, going backwards, now you're going to see the ball is going to appear on this side, is because you can flip your flipbook over. Okay, and so I'm going to flip it over here, and I'm not going to start on the cover page because this is kind of the cover page. You can kind of see through it here. I'm going to start on the next page, and the benefit of using this here, but you're going to have to remember, kind of start it towards the inside more. So here, let's say I'm drawing a little person. Okay, not a very good person, and maybe he's going to be dancing. And the idea is that this is so much easier because you can lay this page on top of it, and you can see the other drawing. So I can see it through here. So I'm gonna make him move a little bit more differently. This is okay. I can see it again here. Not quite sure I liked what I was doing earlier, but it's okay. We'll continue on with it. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, let's see how that strange idea worked out. Okay, so now the difference between flipping this way, where you use your strong hand to flip, or your right hand, like that. Now I'm going to be using my left hand. And that's basically it. So just try to experiment. You can obviously spend a lot more time with it. You can do coloring. You can add more things. You can add things in the background. You can do whatever you want to it. So this is just a quick way of being able to just do something, to have fun, you know, just to play with. This is how animators, you know, and this is similar to what animation is all about anyway. So have fun with it. Practice some more. And, you know, share your ideas on YouTube if you can. Anyway, catch you later. I hope that was easy to understand. I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy. Bye.